BTNR. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, David. Welcome back, traders, after the long weekend. We're here with David Green of Wall Street Global Trading Academy. We're going to be live trading the open. David,
Yes,
what are we looking at this morning?
We're looking at what everybody else in the world is looking at, right? AMC.
AMC?
Anyone ever hear of that one?
You mean the dead movie theater company?
Yeah, exactly. Well, let's differentiate between what a stock can do and what they actually do. And one thing has nothing to do with the other, right? So this is not about earnings or anything else. They sell cars. This is about the stock doing what it's going to do. So the only thing I tell everybody is we're going to just trade it today. We'll trade it using our technical analysis. They already took the short away from us, so we can't short it, although some people still can. And believe it or not, you can make money both ways trading AMC, long or short. So
wait, you can't short AMC on Interactive Brokers right now?
Correct. Some people can on Think or Swim. Usually when this happens, they take away the short is when you want to have the short. And then when they give it back to you, you don't want it. So.
And there's the bell. We just had the open. It's been a long weekend. We missed the market. We're back. It feels good.
We are back. Yes. And I'll tell you what, guys and girls, just generally speaking, this is usually a very slow time in the market. So, especially this week, it's a big vacation week. And
I was going to ask this week in general or just summertime?
Well, I don't think we're going to get as bad as we do normally during summertime, but because there's still a lot of stuff going on. But what I will say is that this week in particular is going to be a very slow week because it's really the first vacation week. All right, AMC's coming in a little bit. Let's see if we can get to that 29.50. If it gets to 29.50 and holds, guys, we can buy a little more. Let's see. I definitely like 28.20 if we go in that direction. So let's have a real order out down there, 28.20. Did the bell ring, guys?
Yes, sir.
We can't have a double bottom, BB. We can't have a double bottom after 6 minutes after the market opens. Doesn't work that way. All right, let me get my comments up because I can't see what anybody's saying. There we go. Again,
David,
guys. Go ahead, Aaron. We're good.
I was just going to say I'm going to hop off, let you do your thing, but I'll be here in the background doing the tickers. If you need anything, just holler.
You got it. So I know some of you guys have the 30 calls in AMC. If it gets to that $28 level or something, it might be worth buying a little bit. Let's see if it bounces from here. Myrna. Good morning, everybody. Oh, Myrna just missed 180. All right. Is there some kind of news going on in Myrna Burner here, guys? But we just missed that 180 anyway. We had a little marker out at 180 in Myrna down on our pivot point. Just gave a dollar trade, but it just missed. So let's can it for now. See what happens. Are all the other BNTX, what are the other drug stocks doing? Let's see if they're following suit. Nah. Myrna rolling submission on vaccines. All right. Again, look at that. Now, we just missed that 180. It would have been spectacular, right? Damn. Neo ripped, Airbnb. Yeah, Neo. Look at that. Nice. All right. I mean, Neo's a short if we get up to 42 and change. For sizzle my whizzles. If we go in that. In Goldman Sachs breakout. All right. A little early for me, but that's fine. Airbnb. Coming down from 144. What do you like? 139.60 in Airbnb? You got 140.75. What is that, Gus? ABNB. I mean, I love 139.60 in Airbnb, but what's 140.75? 15-minute 200 EMA. All right. Try it small. I like it. It'll be a little stretch down there. Airbnb 140.75, 15-minute. On here, let's look. ANVS got news this morning. All right, ANVS is a tough one to trade. Give it a few minutes to set up, but it definitely could be a better buy than sell. ANBS, wackadoodle ski. All right, AMC coming in like a hot potato, guys. Let's see if we get to that 29.50 and hold. I really like the 28.20. So we're going to be very small at 29.50 if we get there right now, which we just freaking missed. Would we get to 29.50? Anyone get AMC at 29.50? It hit our price, guys. Anyone get it? Start taking some profits if you did. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Ah, you're kidding me. So, all right, we don't like it now. So we see AMC, our price was $29.50. It exactly hit it. Exactly. Gave you a 50-cent trade. So let's keep that 28.20 out. I definitely like that. If we go down $2 from here, we'll have a stop. Oh, that could have been the trade of the morning, guys. Oh, it would have been a nice trade anyway. Off we go into the wild blue yonder. Palantir. Palantir is only down 30 cents. That's the whole move. I don't see anything here down at 22 in Palantir. Oil is ripping, guys. I don't know why, but all the oil stocks are going. So see if they set up for trend trades. Marathon, Oxy, all these things are ripping. See if they set up for trend trades. Give them a few minutes. They're all cheap ones, so if they pull back, you can buy a little bit. Yeah, AMC was $1 trade, guys. $1 trade. I mean, that's technical analysis at its finest. So we needed to break that 29.50 now. Tilray trend trade set up. Tesla, NEO. Tesla ripping up. All right. I mean, we got maybe a little short at Tesla at 633. That's not bad. All right. Maybe. But again, it's very early. Tilray. Tilray's 20 cents solid. I mean, if you like it, you're going to buy a little, let us know, but I don't see much there. Futu short. Mara. Mara's going with Bitcoin. Again, that's another one. Maybe it sets up for a trend trade in a little bit. I would short Mara at 26.30. Let's put that out. I like that. Mara short. 6.30 up $1 from here. Chaka-laka-laka, as we say. SoFi. I love SoFi. Mavis, Ventnor, Boeing, MDIS. Guys, it's very early, and things are just kind of bopping around. Ooh, Boeing. Yeah, you got a little short in Boeing. It just missed 255.50, but I think Boeing's a better buy anyway, right? I think we want to be long Boeing. Is there a way to see the order screen? My order screen is up here. This is my order screen. These are the live trades that we have up there. Everything's sitting right in front of you, Chris, up on my screen. Cancel Airbnb, not happening. Yeah, SoFi. We are in the IPO in SoFi at $13. Right now it's trading at $40. So we have a 30-day lockup period in that. We were able to get in at $13. I mean, it's kind of maybe setting up for a trend early, SoFi, 21.30, maybe. It spiked up to 22.50. We'll talk about the IPOs later on. But I like SoFi long term. I think it's a great company. I think it's going to be a good stock. But again, the place to get in was on the IPO at $13. XRP. Don't got an XRP. Spiders, what are they doing? Yeah, they're coming in a little bit. I mean, the market made all-time highs again this morning. Beyond on the dip. Mr. Beyond. Well, let's look for levels in Beyond. I have a nice level in Beyond at 138.20. Seth, if we can spike down $3, that's our pivot point. I like it. All right, we got a little order out in AMC. If we come in another $1.50, let's see what happens. NEO rip. Oh, whoa. Yep, like the short in NEO at 42.14, guys. Absolutely. Yeah, NEO broke out on a daily chart very nicely, so 42.40. We are shorting that. 42.10, right? Neo. 42.10. Do I have any opinion on where AMC is going today? A great question. The answer is I will let my technical analysis tell us. So everything's going to be made my nut on AMC, Tesla, Oxy, trading options today. It's nice, Terry. Why not ride it? Because the odds aren't in our favor of buying Neo up here. I don't know that it's going to 42.10. I just know if it does, I want to short it. So not good odds if you just jump in and buy it right here. So it's all about technical analysis in AMC, right? If we break here, we'll try buying it at 28.14. If it holds our 200 EMA, we can size up a little bit. If it doesn't, this thing could go back to 25.26. So let's see what happens. Like to see it break down here a little bit. SQ. All right, SQ setting up for a trend trade. You got a little short in SQ up at that 28.20 maybe. That looks all right. Look, to me, AMC, now I can short AMC, of course, when you don't want to. For us, AMC is a trading vehicle, guys. It's not something that I'm going to recommend getting in long term for anybody because it's just not what we do. You got an AMC at 29.60 on the early trender. All right, see what happens. I would keep a tight stop here. The only reason we didn't do that is because it hit it the first time. Right, Dave? So when a stock hits something the first time, if it goes back down, it's not going to hold that level. So I would keep a very tight stop in that one. Now, if you need a green bar from here, but Roblex isn't happening. All right. Mara is not happening. Neo's probably not happening, but let's give it a minute. Baidu, 206.40, sell short. What do you got at 206.40? I mean, I like it, Gus. I don't think we're getting there, but I like it. Weekly? All right. I like it. 206.40 Baidu short. That's a weekly level. Chaka-laka-laka. We will short that. SoFi halted. Why would SoFi be halted? Nah, SoFi's not halted. Yeah, it's coming in a little bit. It's all right. It's not halted. It's kind of sitting right there. I don't think it's halted. Why would it be halted? Nah, SoFi's not halted. It's coming in a little bit. I'm not trading SoFi here. Let it do what it's got to do. Should I give $1 stop in Baidu? Yes, if Baidu spikes up to 206 and change, you give it $1. I don't think it's going to happen. We are just flopping around right now. I hope it's not like IPO back down to 10. Nah, just relax. The stock just pulled in a little bit. Don't forget, guys, this stock is up from like $16 in the last week. So I'm not trading it. I'm in the IPO. I'm not trading it. Let it do what it's got to do. Short AMD? No, AMD is not. Dave, I have AMC at 950. I have a target set, not ready to dump yet. All right, Vin, that's cool. As long as you have a stop order, if it starts going down now, I'm good with that. Yeah, beyond 138.25, guys. I like it. BYND. 138.25 if we spike down. I like it. I like it. I like it. So what I would be doing in my AMC is just trailing a stop up, RJ, and take some profits. Trail a stop up on half, take some profits. Look, I always tell everybody in my room that nothing wrong with taking profits, ever. You're not going to go wrong taking profits in a stock. And then, what you can do is, if you get a big giant pullback, you just get back in. That's all. But I want to put money in the bank. Yeah, AMC basically bounced off the frickin' pivot point at 28.90. So cancel that for now. Right off the pivot point. AMC target $23. Again, not right now. I mean, the stock looks good. We held the levels we needed to. We just got to the pivot point at 28.90 and gave you a dollar trade. So right now it's fine. It held all the levels it needed to help. Neo? Yes, Neo's a better buy. We know that, guys, but I still will short it at 42.10. It's getting stretched out. So we still will short it. What's our Baidu doing? Baidu spiked up to 204.25. That ain't happening. Beyond Meat. PYND. Kind of bouncing right here. We got the PMI coming out in a minute. Okay. I got in on the pivot in AMC at 29. Ah, very nice. Very nice, Mark. Good job. Yeah, I mean, it never really went against you, so you take your dollar profit, move on. Next. You just got yourself a subscriber. Yeah, thank you very much. And it's not banging. It held the level it needs to hold, AMC. So, you know, AMC, now it needs to get back above 31 to really turn around. Gets above 31. Maybe we could see new highs again. Zoomer on the 200 EMA. Let's take a peek. It hit it already, Zoom. Right around 331. So if you're in it, have a nice tight stop now. GameStop and AME. GameStop's been a mess this morning. I mean, it probably was a better short up there at 234, right? Just pulled in $1. Well, if you're long, Disha, I hope it gets to 35 for you. I do. Do it. I have no skin in the game. I have no skin in the game in any of these things. We're traders, right? So we are traders. I'm just looking for opportunities during the day. Look at AMD, guys. Perfect short off that pivot point at 82.90. I mean, we were just looking at it. Can you say the SL you are picking? All my orders are on the screen. That's all you have to know about right now, Nancy. If something changes, I will let you know. Okay? So if I'm looking at another stock that we're going to do a trade, I will put an actual order out. Roblex. I mean, 97.60 is a spot in Roblex. We just got to 97.40. Oh, no. If we get into any trade, I'll tell you what your stop loss is. Yes, yes. Neo, 50-cent stop. Beyond, we give it $1. I don't think any of them are going to happen. We'll give it another minute. See if Beyond can spike down $2. Roblex is a better buy, yes. Not one of my favorite stocks in the world to trade, but it is a better buy. We built this city. Yeah, Roblex definitely a better buy. Look how it backed off that pivot point. I know. As soon as you said a short, it backed off. BlackBerry, I had some people in my room that were long this at 11, and it went down to 8 that I advised to get out of a lot of it this morning. To me, that's a gift. If you're long at 11 and it goes to 8 and then it goes back to 11, you sell most of it. PDD is a better trend trade. Yes. Mara. Yeah, I mean, Mara is definitely a better buy than sell if it pulls back. Dave, do you think we should hold the VIX 45 calls? Do you think we should still hold? When did we buy a VIX 45 call? I don't remember that. Either way, hold it. Well, we kind of did, you know, AMC. They did rip it up to 32.50, so. Well, Joe, yeah, definitely hold on to it for now. Donkey Kong plug, SQ early trend. SQ looks good. Keep it small, Jeremy. Yes. Mr. Plug. Let's see. No, plug. All right, a little pluggy at $29.95. I kind of like that. These things are all starting to come in a little bit, right? A little bit. Plug, $29.95. It just blew through the 65 EMA, which was way too close anyway. We're not even thinking about buying plug there. Too close. Spiders. Yeah, the home market's coming in a little bit here, guys. Yeah, Patrick, that was crazy. 36.72. That was insane. No, do not short the VXX. Apple, guys, is dead meat. Apple's been dead for 6 months. It is not a trade. It hasn't been a trade for 6 months. All right, cancel beyond. That ain't happening. Neo, not happening. And this is what it is, guys. Right now, it's just dead. OEG. Again, OEG is like a lottery ticket. I don't think I day trade it. If you like it, you buy it, you put it away. Forget that you have it. Coin, trend trade. Let's take a peek. Yes, coin is a trend trade if we can get a pullback. Yes, 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 yes. I'm just not seeing a hell of a whole lot here, guys and gals. We're kind of just sitting right in the middle of everything now, right? Why am I slouched over? Thoughts on a short letter attack on AMC? I mean, we're kind of in the middle of that. The short interest in this stock is not as much as people think. Ooh, ZM, guys. Like ZM at 328, guys? I kind of would have liked that if we spiked right down there, right? Yeah, I saw your post, Jeremy. We just missed it, though. The market's coming in a little bit. So I have 106 people in the live trading room, guys, which, by the way, the live trading room is closed. We are oversubscribed. I am not accepting new people into the live trading room. This will be the last week I even have visitors in my room. That's it. I'll tell you guys how to visit for the rest of the week in a little while, but the room is full. This will be the last week that I accept anyone new into the trading room. Boom, chaka-laka laka. Yep, now AMC is ripping up. And like I said, it held all the levels that we needed to hold. And now it's going back up, right? So if you're in at 29, whoever grabbed it at 29, take more profits up here at 31, obviously. It's a trade. So you can see how beautiful that bounced off our pivot point and has not looked back. Sick. I will be re-upping on your room this Thursday. Okay, trend trade Disney. Yes, Disney's a trend trade. Almost got to the short up there also. Boeing trend trade. I mean, Boeing hit the 9, guys. It hit the 9 and just gave $1 trade. Sick. Neo long, let's look. Where do we want to buy Neo? 40.75 and 40.50 Neo. Cool. Those are spots to buy it. That's the trend. So you can have a bid out at like 40.50. I like that. I have AMC short again now. I think. That's good. So far this morning, guys and gals, it's just a whole lot of nothing going on. Well, a couple of guys got the AMC trade. Coin bounced off the pivot, Rich. Yeah, but I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it did. Should we try to trend trade in Neo? Yes, we can try 40.55. I'll put it out. Neo. Yes, yes, yes. We will try to trend trade. So everybody who's visiting in the room this week, of your 106, this is it. There will be no more visitors, and we are switching over to Zoom tomorrow. Whoop, whoop. No more Novia. Yeah, I mean, let's see if AMC consolidates a little bit here before the next move up. Yes, Blaze. Let's see. It's got to see if it goes sideways a little bit. But it's definitely a better buy now. 100%. Yes. Pluggy coming in. I still like our $29.95 in plug if we get there. That's good. Down another 60 cents. That's only for room members, my Benzinga family. That's it. Well, I'll let people visit this week, and then that's it. Futu, what do we got? You like 146.80 in Futu, down $3, guys? What do you think? Want to do it small? I kind of like that. Futu. All right, this popped down small. 146.80 Futu. This popped down Futu. Boom chakalaka laga. Give it like $1 stop. We'll risk $50. Beyond. Beyond just missed on 138.20. Is the market coming in here, guys? What's going on here? Why do these things look so weak? Neo coming in. Nah, not really. Neo's strong. Of course, Futu just bounced. We can talk about that later. RJ. Yeah, I mean, oil's in a nice uptrend. Come on, as soon as we put our order out in Futu, it bounced. Plug. Could plug another couple of minutes here. The strong stocks stay strong, guys. We'll see if the spiders break the 200, but there you go, AMC, right? A little bit of consolidation and then the big spiky wikey up. So I will short AMC at 33.50 for a trade if they still have it short. I will definitely do that. Donkey Kong, Goldman Sachs hanging out. Yeah, Goldman's good. Pull back to the pivot point once, to the 9 once. Donkey Kong is weak. I don't know if I like Donkey Kong here. Look, Donkey Kong looks like it's setting up for a downtrend, right? Yep. So I don't know if I like it. I mean, 48.40, we can try Donkey Kong. That'll be down $2. That I like. Now that it bounced. Yeah, I mean, 138.20 was the spot in Beyond. That was the spot we had out there earlier this morning. Oops, what the hell did I do? So if you left your order out there at 138.20 and beyond, you're doing well. See what happens with the next move. Labu and Ford barely missed Futu. Come on. Holy crap. Futu got to 146.80. We were bidding 146.60. It went up $1. Oh, it's one of those mornings. Labu. Labu? I would have liked 61.20 if we got down there fast in Labu. Not crazy about 61.90. But yeah, 61.20 looks good if we got there fast. Look at Futu, guys. Are you kidding me? Look at that. I mean, does technical analysis work or does technical analysis not work? Up $1.30 off our level in 2 minutes. Sick. You bought a little corn? All right. Eric, you got to add it, whatever this is, right? 240.66 coin. 240.66. That is the trend in coin. 240.66. And it just missed it by a penny. All right. Be careful in coin. You know, have your stop if it breaks here. 239.25 is the next spot. I know. I don't even want to look at Futu, guys. I'm sorry. We missed it by a penny. It went straight up $2. I can't make them hit it. I can't make them hit our levels. Can only put the orders out. And if we get them, we get them. That's it. Do I mess with crypto? First time in my life, I traded crypto last week when it got around $30,000. And we made 9,000 points on it. That was the first time I ever got involved, David. Took me 3 times to get a winner in SQ. All right. Finally bounced off to 200. Yeah, when Bitcoin got down to 30,500, everybody in the room got in it. And we did very, very well. Some people did Mara and Riot, but we did call the bottom. I guess even a broken clock is right twice a day, right? But it was a 9,000 point bottom, so it made up for a lot of misses. ISM in 2 minutes. All right, no orders, guys. ISM can move things around. That's a manufacturing number. For those of you who don't know, it comes out in 10 o'clock, and it's a measure of economic activity in the entire country. So no orders. Let's see what happens with the ISM number. Anytime a big economic number comes out, it's best not to have any orders out. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, look, what's the next level and beyond, guys? I have 134. Anyone got anything before 134? Jeannie, click on my name to private message me. Oh, Pete, you all right? Look, I got guys in my room that are private messaging and saying hello. They're in the hospital. Are you all right, Pete? Jesus, Pete, take it easy. OEG halted. That could be up a 10% move. Yes. Yeah, beyond bouncing off that level. It's good. Everything's bouncing. Bouncing. All right, let's look at the SPYs, see what we do after the ISM. No problem, Gina. You know, Beyond didn't break that level. It got to 183.30. Will you explain, please, AMC Entertainment Options Friday $70 call sweeps? Those are people who are dreaming. What do I know? They're buying $70 call options in AMC that expire this Friday. Yeah, I mean, well, that doesn't mean the stock has to go to $70. This just means it has to go up significantly from here for them to make money. I would be selling those for this week, but I don't think there's a lot of premium in them. All right, so construction below estimates, manufacturing above estimates. All right. So a big, fat non-event, basically, right? Which we kind of expected anyway. I don't think it matters. Bad news is good news. Good news is good news. This market's not ready to go down yet in any significant way. 219 Baba. Baba, guys, if we can get a spike down to 200, I like it. I like it. You will be selling because everyone always shorting stocks. Not everybody's always shorting stocks. Look, it's very important if you're a trader to learn how to short stocks. I mean, that's half of our ball game. That's the bottom line. If you don't know how to short stocks, you're missing half of your trading opportunities. Right? Plug. 29.90 we don't like anymore, Plug. Right. So Plug might be consolidating for another move down. So the reason I don't like 29.95 anymore, born to free, is because it's taken a long time to get there and the stock looks weaker to me. So I'll wait till 29.10 now and Plug. If it holds 29.95, you can buy a little bit. But yeah, because it's taken so long to get here, go down, be more conservative, 29.10. Boom, shaka, laka, laka. That's all. I'm always going to be more conservative. Yeah, Beyond's breaking down a little bit. Yes. Well, that's why you have your break-even stop and Beyond. Gave you a little profit, and then it ripped straight down. 134 Beyond, guys. That would even be a far from moving average trade. So that's my pivot point, right? So those of you who are asking about our technical analysis, okay, I'll tell you guys what we need. I'm going to wait till 134, Sebastian. All these dots in here you see are pivot points. They're basically Fibonacci's, but they tell us when a stock is moving too far away from a moving average and it might be a potential buy. Moving averages we have 9, 15, 65, 200 exponential moving averages. When the moving averages are above where a stock is trading, potential short. When the moving averages are below where a stock is trading, potential buy. So we're looking at AMC now. This is just dead. Next spot I like AMC is if we can get down to that 28.30. Neo. Again, Neo just missed bouncing off the frickin' the 9. Yep. No more Plug at 29.95, George. Keep your eyes on my order box up top. Okay. Keep your eyes on my order box. The only thing we have right now is beyond. We want to buy it if it gets to 134. That is it. Yeah, Neo bounced off the 9 already. Yes, I see that. All right. I mean, look, if the market comes in significantly, you'll get a chance to buy Neo at a cheaper price. I'm not saying the market's coming in significantly because it just never does. So, Baba. Yes, let's go a little Baba, right? We got 218.90 and 218.60. I like it, Richard. That's our 200 EMA. So when we're looking at our moving averages, the 200 is going to be the strongest. And odds are, if the stock spikes straight down there, we should get a bounce. So around 218.70 is where we will be, right in the middle. Just about being patient and disciplined and waiting for things to set up. You guys have seen how many times today things have hit our levels and just bounced significantly off those levels, right? Yeah, it's up there, Gus. I mean, for trades anyway. Yeah, AMC's strong. What are the AMC options this week? Let's take a look, guys, while we're slowing down a little bit. Let's see how much these idiots are willing to pay for AMC options. 30s are still 525 for this week. Yeah, I would want more. I want someone to pay like $5 for the 50 this week, so I'll sell them. 30s might not be bad. I mean, don't forget, it's a short week, right? I saw the 73 call sweep, Sal. Well, I wouldn't be thinking about buying them, Cameron. I'd be thinking about selling them and getting a short position if it gets there. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, the June 18th. Here's the thing with the June 18th 70s. All right. All right. They're paying what? $2.50 for those? They're tradable. You know, if the stock goes up from here, they can just trade around that. I don't think there's any way on God's green earth the stock is going to $70, but they're trading the options. I would never go out that far for us. For us. 59s for $1.30. For this week, Sebastian? Yeah. Here's the thing, if you sell calls for this week, they are going to lose value quickly because the stock's only trading at $30 and tomorrow's Wednesday already. So if the stock just stays within 30 to 40, anything above that, you're just cashing in. Again, I don't like going out that far. If I do anything in AMC, it's going to be for this week. They expire in 3 days. Yes, Sally, small, but I traded around them. No. I'm not calling them idiots. No. They're not idiots. What I'm saying is I would do something for this week. That's all. They're not idiot. I just said 2 minutes ago that they can make money on these things. It doesn't have to go to $70. If the thing goes up $2, $3, $4, they're going to start making money. Nope. Look, everybody can push their own buttons. Nobody's an idiot. Anybody can do what they want to do. I'm telling you what I'm thinking about doing this week. That's all. I'm not going out to June. I'm thinking about this week, and I might sell calls this week. Depending on what it does today. Wow, BTX, guys. BTX is a bet. Yes, definitely a better buy. Better buy than sell. BTX. GameStop. Wow. All right. I think we did pretty good in GameStop last week when we called it going to $230 when it was trading at $180. Yeah, I mean, we'll short GameStop at $252. Could be setting up for a better buy. Yes. Yeah, BTX, wait for a pullback to the trend, though, Melissa. Coin could be a better, ZM probably a better short, but I would wait till the trend, 331. I don't know if it's coin news. I think it's just, a nice bounce. So few people in the room are in on this coin. Gus, Eric, did you get to add it to 240.60 in this coin? So here's a beautiful trend trade in coin, guys. Got the 9, got the 15. You're up $2 on your average. Nice job, Eric. Take some profit stuff. All right. So this is what we look for in the trend trade. You buy the 9 EMA, 241.30. You buy the 15 EMA, 240.80. Your average is 241 on your full trend trade. You just sold some for $1.45 profit. Boom, chaka-laka laka. There you go. Nice job, guys. Richard, you got a little bit of that? That is a trend trade. KOSS is a bloody mess. I don't see anything. Kind of just sitting right here. Yeah, me too, Rich. But I think it hit it before that. Whatevs. GameStop room to 252. Yes. So maybe if we can get a pullback in GameStop now. It's got room to 252. Yes. So now what are they doing? They're buying GameStop and selling AMC? Let's get that bid out in AMC at 28.30 small. Just in case. We get the smack-a-dacka down there. Yeah, I'm not buying around here, but if we get the smack to 28.30, we can do a little something there, Rick. Seems like it with AMC. Baba bounce, cancel, yes. Beyond cancel, yes. We built this city. Beyond struggling just to get back where it was. Hello, Mr. Einstein of Wall Street. This guy wants to trade everything that moves. Who's this guy, Freddie? This guy? These nuts? I want to trade everything that moves. I want to trade everything that sets up for us to move. That is 100% right. Yes. Anything that sets up for us technically to trade, I am trading. Baba looks like a better short. I mean, the room's had 3 trades this morning. They're doing very, very well. Baba. Baba does look like a better short. Yes, yes, yes. Tesla. Tesla's a bloody mess sitting in the middle of everything. Any opinion on Baba today? I mean, Baba was up $9 with China. Now it's kind of just sitting in the middle of everything. I'd buy Baba if we got to the 219. We had a bid out there earlier in that. That I like. So I will show you. Where'd you get in Viacom? Kaylee, is this something you've owned for a while? Viacom that you're getting out of, and I don't see it there. I'm going to do Baba short on the 915. Okay, good, Kaylee. Excellent. BB. Nah, BB, you were good to get out of some of it, guys. 100%. AMC's dead now. Okay, so look at AMC. It's trading right in the middle of all our moving averages. When something's in the middle of all of our moving averages, there's just nothing to do. I need it to hit something. GameStop, another leg up. Yep. Okay, so GameStop we can buy now, guys. If we get a pullback to 235, 100%. That is definitely establishing a nice uptrend. So get a bid out. This thing can go down $7 any moment. We just said we got room to that 252 level, so maybe the AMC money is shifting to GameStop now, but most people can't afford to buy GameStop anyway. When I say most people, I mean a lot of people with small trading accounts. I'm not saying anything negative about anybody. AMC could be basing in here now. Yes, Rick, let's give it some time. Could be basing, but it's too wide a base. You know, the bottom line, if it breaks here, we should see 28.30. Let's just see what happens. Well, I'll tell you what, CR. You know, we identified GameStop. I'll show you when. Right here. We identified GameStop when it was breaking out of this 175, 180 range and said we can get to 230. And we got a 50-point move out of it. So I don't know now. It's kind of just sitting in the middle of everything on a daily chart. But we had a beautiful trade in it. Market's coming in pretty good here, guys. And the reason I can tell the market's coming in pretty good is because I see a lot of stuff going down, right? Let's look at the spiders. Yeah, I mean, if the spiders start breaking down from here, who knows? Do we have a little blow off top this morning? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think this is anything more than a little profit taking. Yeah, I don't like anything in Neo now, guys. Relax. The whole market's coming in, right? Yeah, 40.10, we'll buy a little Neo. Look at the market, guys and gals, all right? Put a little Neo at 40.10. At least that's down $1.50 from where we just were. I like that. GameStop and AMC. No pullback in GameStop. BABA would be a better buy, guys, at $218.50, but it kind of has to happen right now. That's straight down $2. You guys still like that? Yeah, GameStop's never going to trade with the market. It's just not going to. It's not going to. People don't care. You're going to get a little bounce from BABA right here, is my guess. Let's see what we got below that. We just got to be careful buying stocks now, guys. I'd rather miss stuff than get caught in it, right? I'm looking 15 and 30, BABA. 217 is the next real level. And I kind of think you get a bounce from here. Let's see what happens. GameStop could not care less. You know, I would have liked BABA if we smack right down there. But now that it's sitting here and deciding what it wants to do, not as good. You have a little order for BABA at the 200. All right, just keep it small. 218.50 is good. Keep it small. SQ. All right, SQ just hit this pivot point, right? Yeah, the VIX's spiking like a mother jumper here. That's what I'm saying, guys and gals. Let's relax. Things are coming in pretty good. I don't see any reason to be running into anything, right? How about SQ at 217.40? That's down $2 from here. It'll be down $6 from where it just was. That I like. Do that. 217.40. Again, if things are hitting pivot points and stuff and you want to try them small, you just got to have very tight stops. The market's not going up. It's going down. Pluggy. Yeah, I mean, again, I wouldn't be buying plug here now. Everything's kind of just sitting here deciding whether the market's going to come in or not from here, right? Futu. What happened in Futu? I don't know if it quite hit it, but you got $1 off the pivot point in Futu. Very nice. Nice job, Ivana. Nice job in Futu off the pivot point. GameStop. All right. I still like GameStop. We got to like GameStop at 235. I mean, that'll be down $8, but let's make it smaller. GameStop. 235 and 231. A small at 235. Keep our eyes on it. Obviously, I'd like 231 better. When will I make any money? When we get trades. Are you losing any money, Q? If you're not losing money, you're ahead of the game right now. Right? Let's relax. Yeah, well, we can't cry over spilt dollars. AMC next stop 35. If you're long, I hope it goes to 35. I have no opinion other than what it's going to do in the next half hour. That's all I care about. Neo bounce, cancel that. AMC dead, cancel that. SQ bounced, you stink on ice. We built this city. Not much to lose now. You always got stuff to lose. How are you putting pivot points in think or swim? It's one of the settings in the charts. We slow down a little bit. NVIDIA is up $100 since we last talked, Dave. Yeah, I mean, did I ever say anything negative about NVIDIA? I love the stock. It's just not something that I trade. Love the stock, love the company. Boy, when Futu bounces, it bounces, right? Yeah, everything's turning up a little bit now. Can. Market's just very choppy. It's going to be like that all week. You know, we get into a trade this morning. Any tips on trying to avoid the itch to get in trades when things don't last? I'm getting FOMO. I've yet to get into a trade either, and I'm fine. It is what it is. The more experienced traders in the room got 2 or 3 trades. Made a quick 35 cents on Baba. Did it hit our level, Baba? 218.80. Certainly did, Baba. All right, hit the 218.80. Gave you a 50-cent trade in Baba. Yes. Good. Good. I mean, so, you know, everything that we looked at technical-wise today worked. Worked exactly off our pivot points. It worked. GameStop, yeah, if you got a little GameStop at 235, all right, you got to give it like, you know, at least $2 stop. See if we get a bounce off here. That was the pivot point. I mean, that was the trend. GameStop 235. Let's see what the next move is. AMC 28.35. Yes. I like AMC at 28.35. Would you sell calls in GameStop this week? 490 is paying $1.40. You're asking me if I would personally sell a 490 call for $1.40. Yes, I would. If you're okay being short. All right. Let's put a little marker in AMC at 28.30. AMC. 28.30. Again, I'm going to do it small. If it holds that level, we can add to it for a trade. Okay? Because if we break 28.30, see what we got. 28.30 again. 26.74. 28.30 again. 27.40 and 26.40. All right, got to mark 27.40, 26.40. So all the people who buy this early in the day in the GameStop, especially people with less experience, and I'm not saying don't hold it. You want to have diamond hands, be my guest, right? But when they see it doesn't keep going up from where it was, they bail out. And they're actually losing money now. That's what happens. Does the Academy teach you moving averages? Yes, Joshua. The course that we have developed teaches you everything right from the beginning. Yes. Whether you've never traded before or not. Now, we're trying beyond at 134. 100%. Beyond 134, we buy for a trade. Yes. Faster the better. Of course. Yeah, and this will be the last week I'll let you guys come in and visit. So starting tomorrow, I'll let you guys come in and visit for the rest of the week. Then we have no more. That's it. The room is shut until some other people leave or come back. But we're at capacity right now in the live trading room. Yeah, again, Boeing, you can try quick if we get to 251. Yes. You bought a little Neo here, Kuhl. We did swing trading on Friday. We'll do some options. We'll talk about a little options today. Yes, Nancy. Look, we're going to go over everything. Look, for everybody who doesn't know, last week we had our live boot camp. I have no visitors in my live boot camp. It is a completely separate thing from the course and anything else. It's an upsell where I teach my entire course live during the week. We're in the room for 40 hours. We trade the markets live, and I actually teach the entire course, period, for 5 days. So we did that last week. That basically filled up my trading room. Best time to see Hamlet calls if you are long in this morning. Yeah, if you're long, absolutely. Yeah, you're limiting your profits, but yeah, it's a way to lock in your money. Yes, 100%. That's when you're long a stock, you sell upside calls. It limits your upside, but you're locking in profits. And if it goes down, you're saving money. Starting tomorrow is going to be Zoom only, period, guys. You'll see later on the website that everything has changed to Zoom. Okay? I'll leave this room open for stragglers and stuff, but starting tomorrow, we are in Zoom. It'll be changed on the website at some point today. So for no, it's just going to be, you're going to see, you're not going to need a password, Rich. You're going to go to my website. You're going to see a click for Zoom. You're going to click on that. You're going into the room. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. So I'll give you Benzinga guys, people. Yeah, before I leave, Bill, remind me. I'll let you guys come in for the next 3 days. Yes, we're going to talk about options today. Yes, we're going to talk about options today. So what I'll do before we leave, guys, and we still got some time, my Benzinga folks. All right, I want AMC if it's going to do it right now, guys, at 28.30. Don't hesitate. Do it right now. I'll have a 50-cent stop on that little one. If it holds there, we can add a little to it. So I'm only risking like 20 bucks on it. It's a pretty big level. If we hold that, I think we can add. But let's see if we get there. So you're going to get a link for the Zoom room. No, guys, let me show you. Okay. Tomorrow, this is for everybody, even my Benzinga people. But it's only for this week, and then I'm not having any more visitors. You go to Green Room Live tomorrow, okay? Instead of seeing this 5-day free trial, it's just going to be a Zoom link. Tomorrow morning, you'll click on the Zoom link, and you'll be in the room. Is that clear to all my regular people? Guys? Clear to everybody? Okay, so you'll go to the website. You'll just see a Zoom link. For my Benzinga people, I will let you visit for the rest of this week. Also, go to greenroom-live.com. You'll see that little link. Come in. You can visit for the rest of this week only. Then my room is done. That's it. Done. So I'll let people visit for the rest of this week. And look how nice the freaking AMC would have been, right, guys? I mean, it went up 80 cents. 80 cents. Yeah, we'll talk about the course in a little bit. In AMC, where, Q? It didn't get to my 28.30 level. What price did you buy it at? Oh, yeah. No, I'll tell you what, right now, if it goes back to 28.30, it's breaking that and it's going lower. So I don't even like it. I don't like Beyond. Yeah, we'll talk about the course in a little bit before we get out of here. Nancy, you got 28.88. Why? Why? You telling me you bought a little on a pivot point? The only reason I wouldn't have bought the pivot point is because it hit it earlier this morning. And Ivana, you got 28.54. Okay, so you guys are jumping the gun a little bit. It's fine, and it's working out for you. But that's not normally what we do. All right, that's fine. Take profits. Look, guys, you can use other technical analysis than what I'm using, and if it works for you, that's great. I'm okay with it. That's fine. But one thing I don't want you to do, and anyone in my room or in Benzinga or anywhere else, please don't tell me you got into a trade after the trade has happened. Okay? I want you to post a trade and say, I'm buying the stock at this price. Don't tell me you're in it after it starts working or not working. I can't help you then. So for everyone in this room, we do not post trades after we get in it. We post trades before we get in then so that everybody can participate. I don't like people doing after the fact trading. Okay? So post before you get in, and that way we can all do it. Thank you. There's plenty of rooms out there where people do after the fact trading. This is not one of them. No, there's nothing going on in MOXC. Zero. I asked 100 times about the double bottom in AMC. Okay? I probably wouldn't have done it anyway, Rick. But if you did it, it's fine. I mean, it worked for a trade. And I apologize for missing it. It did work. It was more than 30 minutes. It went up $3. It was $28.84. It went to $28.53. I mean, it gave you a little trade. It gave you a little trade. Gave you a 50-cent trade. Where do you sell? It depends on where you're in it. XPEV did a double top. It could be doing a double top. 34.40. We went down to 33.18, and it's very close. Very close. Yep. Futu worked off the pivot. Yeah, it certainly did. We had people buy it down there. Double top and Futu works now. Neo. All right. So if you got the Neo at 40.50 on the pivot point, you start selling some now. Take your profits. Next trade. Yes. So Neo now, let's look at the AMC guys, okay? Because to me, now AMC has started a downtrend, right? So again, I'm not going to short it. I'm not doing anything, but you know, it's got to get above this 30.10 now to start going up, and it might be a short at 30.10 now. I'll keep my eyes on it. Never in a hurry to short AMC. No, it depends on where you're in the stock, Webb. And it depends on your time frame, right? Some people are never going to sell AMC, ever. But, yeah, this is what AMC did Friday, and then it went up, and then it went down. It's all over the place. Neo, again, if you got the pivot point at 40.50, you start selling some stock. Very nice. The whole market's rallying now. GameStop double top, maybe. Because it doesn't have any rhyme or reason right now, Bill. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing technically set up. You could have double bottom. That worked nicely. But, yeah, you're going to try to buy it because you think it's going to go up. It's going down. And then when it goes down, you're going to get out. You get stopped out. Then you're going to try buying it again. It's going to go down. You're going to get stopped out. So that's why everything we do here is just about technical analysis. It's not going to happen to us. Yes, everything's bouncing now, guys and gals. I see it, except Beyond. Beyond looks like crap. But the VIXI just went down 40 cents. But that's why, you know, and again, guys, we're talking about trading, right? This is what I do in this room. We day trade, we swing trade, the options trade. Okay, we're not talking about diamond hands or anything else. We are day traders, swing traders, and option traders. So everything is about putting the odds in our favor when we make a trade. And if I can't do that, I'm not making a trade. Yeah, I mean, technically XPEV sets up for a double top, but it just missed it by 7 cents. So now I wait. I would wait now, guys, because it just missed it. Don't do a double top now. Look, most people who are day trading, Billy, are gambling. Because there's no rhyme and reason to what they're doing. They're not using technical analysis. They're not using their money management skills. Right? Anybody can pick the spot to get in a stock. It's what to do once you get in the stock that most people have problems with. Neo looks topped out. All right, I put up a chop in Neo, and I say Neo looks nothing. Just kind of sitting here doing nothing. Benzinga, is David still coming on Benzinga after this week? Benzinga, is David still coming on Benzinga? Yes, guys, I will still be coming with you. It's just that my room's not going to be available. But yeah, I'll be here to trade with you and help you. Yes, absolutely. I'm not going to stop coming on because my room is full. It's just that here's the gig, guys. All right. I have 105 people in the trading room right now. Probably 20 are visitors. I don't want to have more than 115 people in my room, period, because I like to keep it up close and personal, and so that we can all trade every single stock that we're looking at. It's not a room where I want to have 500 people in there. I don't give a crap about that. It just doesn't work. So that's why it's up close. It's personal. We can all do every single trade that sets up. And that's it. This is going to be the last week I'm taking people in the room, period. So you guys will have a chance. If you want to stay with us, you come visit for the next 3 days, and then we can talk about what you want to do going forward. That's it. But this is the last week. But I will still be coming on Benzinga. You know, we have our course, too, for people who can't sit and day trade all day. That is spectacular, that you get me every Thursday night. Anyone who purchases our course, which, again, we'll talk about in a little bit, which we have on sale for all you guys. Anyone who purchases a course, you get continued mentorship every Thursday night with me and Peter. Every Thursday night. And the course is only $400. And you're with us every Thursday night, and you get everything in the course from start to finish. Again, we'll talk about that before we get out of here today. I'm getting in the next boot camp. I don't want to be in the room. That's cool. The room isn't for everybody. EL. It's okay. Yeah. It's all right. To each his own. Hope to far from moving average. I don't force anybody. Let's put it that way. I can tell you that the people who are in my room do very well if they follow everything that we do. And that's all I'll say. Muds. Yeah, muds look like a downtrend. I would not get into mugs. No. That's right. That's why we made the course for people who don't want to be in the room. That is correct, as Peter just says. I've been trading for 10 years, and I bought the course and actually picked up a couple of things that have made me money. So I'd say, at the very least, buy the course. There you go. Gina does not rude people. It is what it is. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just trying to help people. That's all. At a reasonable price. There are courses out there that cost $10,000 for a video, and you get no help with it. Our course is $400, and we get with you, me and Peter, every Thursday night, and you're going to learn how to trade. So you guys decide. Meanwhile, let's look for more trades. I don't want to talk about it anymore. QFIN's a better buy than sell. Right? Look at that nice uptrend. Nancy, I would not recommend getting into muds. No. No. Yeah, that's the greatest thing about having our room. We talk to each other. We all share our ideas. It's spectacular. Yes. Yeah, Futu bounced, you know what? $3 off the pivot point. That was beautiful. Greg, we'll talk later when we finish. Yeah, listen, we don't have to defend, Lou. We don't have to defend anything. Don't worry about it. It's okay. It's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. Yeah, so, you know, Plug gave you what, a 30, 40 cent move off that little level down there? Ain't nothing spectacular, but it did hold the pivot point. Yes. Yes. Abbott, nice downtrend. Riot, sell short. Well, I'll tell you this, guys and gals. Number one, the course encompasses everything from start to finish if you've never traded before. There's no point in talking about my room anymore because it's going to be closed after this week. But I will tell you, if you guys go to other rooms and stuff, the most important thing is somebody going to sit with you all day, every single day, and trade with you? How about that? Are they not front running you? There's a lot of important things, okay, that you have to know if you're going to go sit in a room with somebody. Deer trend trade. Yeah, Deer is a trend trade. Keep in mind, guys, it's 10:41 now, and the volume in this market is completely gone already. It's 10:41, which we kind of thought was going to happen, right? The course, $400 is a one-time fee. That's it, Dylan. And you get me and Peter every Thursday night to go over the course with you forever. Yes. And I help people with long-term trades. Look, guys. Excellent, Elva. Yeah, it's very slow right now. You buy our course. You're in my room. You're part of the family. I will help you with anything that you have questions about. Long-term, short-term, options, swing trading. Me and Peter are always available. Period. You become part of our family. That's the bottom line. And we're here to help you. I am always available. Peter's always available. I get 7,000 private messages a day. I get 800 emails a day. And I answer every one of them. Philip, for $400, you're getting continued mentorship forever. And you're going to learn how to trade from that course. Period. Nice job, Elva. Riot 29.57. Yeah, but Riot looks like a better buy. Got 2,000 more Apple shares as AMC. Should I switch my position? No, I wouldn't. Look, Apple's been dead money for a long time, but it's a very good long-term investment. They pay a dividend. I would not sell, in my opinion, OP. I would not sell my Apple position to buy AMC. Can you make a lot more money in AMC? Yes, 100%. 100%. But it's just not for me. Look, you want to have AMC? I like it as a speculative stock. That's it. It's a speculative stock. You can make a shitload of money on it, and you cannot make a shitload of money on it. So there is a place in everyone's portfolio, right? Not many people sit and trade with you. What do you mean, Joseph? We have 100 people that are sitting, 106 people that are sitting and trading right now. Oh, you mean in other rooms? No, nobody does. Nobody does, but whatever. There is a portion of everybody's portfolio that you can have in what I call a speculative account. 100%. And you should. But it shouldn't be money that you're using to feed your family and pay your bills with, right? And going to my guy one of the guys in my room who's an options expert said the safest way to speculate on AMC is with a call spread. You do a call spread on it, you know your risk, and you can make a lot of money on it. That's a story for another day. So, got 1,200 shares in Microsoft. I got 1,200 shares in a good idea for CC. Microsoft, I love too long term. I mean, look at the returns you've gotten in Microsoft, right? On a weekly chart. I mean, a year ago, the stock was $180, $190. It's spectacular. Long term, yes, I love Microsoft. I love Apple. I love all these things. Yes, I own Apple for 35 years. Yeah. Yeah, and you can sell covered calls on Apple. Exactly. This whole market is dead right now, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? I hate to say this, and you guys in my room know what I'm going to say. You know what I'm going to say. We're dead. No, you can't go long NEO. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but NEO's not a buy up here. It was a buy when it hit the pivot point at 40.50. Yeah, I hate to say it, but this day is over as far as trading is concerned. I'm telling you guys, it's dead slow, man. Yeah, for the next 3 days, you can visit the Zoom room. You're going to change the website. So not today, tomorrow, okay? Starting tomorrow, you can come in on my website by hitting the Zoom link. Thinkorswim not allowed to sell naked calls in GameStop. You don't want to sell naked calls in GameStop. That's not a good idea, Sebastian. I don't think it's a good idea anyway. Do I ever play the Canadian market? I will play Canadian stocks, Kevin, but not per se the Canadian market. Where's Romeo? Romeo, are you here? You in my room, Romeo? Roman, I'm sorry. Roman, can we change the website now? I'm not going to open the room till tomorrow, but can we change the website whenever you get a chance to? When you get a chance. This way, anyone tomorrow, guys, tomorrow morning, I'll open the room about 7 o'clock. We'll start our morning meeting at 8:30. No, I'm searching everything, Kev. I am constantly looking for stocks to trade. Does that work, Roman? Can we do that for tomorrow? I just open the room by 7:30 to new. I'm not really doing anything. 8:30, we start our morning meeting. No, I don't know what the market's going to do for the rest of the day. Maybe we drift up. Maybe we drift down. Can I see the configuration for my pivot points? Yes. That's the configuration for the pivot points. All right, Jeremy, see you in a little bit. You can take a screenshot if you want. Pablo, just make sure you hit show plot. All these things are checked over here all the way through on your pivot points. And you should be all right. Boom chocolate. Are we going? Yes, Joe, we're going to talk about options today. What am I going to do about my SoFi? I can't sell it for 30 days. Number one, Rich. But I like the company. Look, I'm in the stock at $13. Okay, and we have 1.77 shares of wherever the stock is trading. Okay. So right now, where are we, Sally? $38, $39 from 13. We got like a triple in the stock. So I'm going to sell some in 30 days wherever it's trading, and I like it long term. Long term. Wow, this market just spiked down, guys. What the hell is going on? Tough market to be trading right now. I don't trust anything. Eastern Standard Time, Philip. Everything's Eastern Standard Time. I want to do the next one you guys get in on. Rich, for the IPOs, you have to be qualified, right? $250,000 a year in income, $1 million in net assets, or you are. Well, get in touch with my son, Rich. He'll tell you what's going on and what's coming up. He'll give you his email. Anyone who's interested in the IPOs, get in touch with Matt. He can give you all the information on it. Yeah. No, I just gave you his email, Rich. Send Matt an email. Tell him you're from the green room. And he'll give you any information you want on new ones, what's coming up, what's going on. These guys only take good deals. They're very, very smart. A lot of people want to get in SpaceX. They're turning them away now. My audio just got quiet. Hold on. Oh, yeah. There we go. I hit the wrong button. A lot of people wanted to buy coin. This is how I know these guys are good at Iron Edge. They got calls from people who wanted to buy coin and pay $500 for it on the IPO. And they wouldn't take it. They said, no, we're not taking that deal. We don't want you people paying $500 for this on the IPO. But there were people lined up to pay $500 for coin on the IPO. Lined up. And they only take good deals. Look, there's always a risk, guys, okay? So if you're going to invest in IPOs, again, it's got to be discretionary funds. You don't take your life savings and put it into an IPO, right? I'm in Zipline right now. I am in SpaceX, but I got in a while ago at a decent price. And I'm in a few of them. You just forget about them. That's all. And most times you get a nice return. All right, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Is there anything happening? Nope. I bought coin first 10 days ago. All right, OP. I mean, that's a better place to start at least than it was, when it was $300, right? Gina, give me a little bit. I'll talk to you about that. It's just that my room is full. I can't really take any more people after this week. Anyone who signs up to stay with us between now and the end of the week is fine. Hold on, guys. So, got stuck with SPI Energy, average down with 45 cents, been holding ever since. Philip, at some point, the valuation is not going to be, worth getting involved in at some point. Yeah, we'll see if the spiders break this little pivot point here. We can start seeing some follow through to the downside. Aim at pivot point. All right. My expert is working on the Zoom. So as soon as it gets it together, we'll work. Whatever. It might not be tomorrow. Whatever. We're working on it. It's in the process. XPV trend trade, but there's lunch coming. It's not that lunch is coming. It's just that the market's dead. What percentage of success can we find in your strategy? You mean like winners and losers trade-wise? I don't know. Someone in the room post our win-loss rate. It's not. I'll tell you why win-loss rate isn't really important. I'll tell you what it is, but you know why that's not important? All right, so a bunch of my people in my room said about, I don't know, I'll average it, 80 to 85% of our trades work. Now, if you're trading properly, okay, you only need about a 60% win rate, without a doubt. But, even at 80, I could say we make money on 85% of our trades, 80%, 70%, whatever it is. If you don't manage your trades properly, you could have a 99% win rate and give it all back on one trade. So the thing that I stress to everybody, excuse me, is the money management part of it. That's what it's all about to me. Okay? Because you can make $100, 10 trades in a row. And what good is it if you lose $10,000 or $1,000 on the 11th trade? And a lot of people who don't know how to trade do that. And you can't. All right, that's great, Roman. No sweat. Look, guys, if the Zoom's not set up tomorrow, it'll be set up the next day, but it's on its way. All right? It's on its way. Yeah, it's just how you handle your losing trades. That's it. Well, Bill, look, I can tell you this, okay? And it's not me saying it. It's all the people in my room. You follow what we do every trade that sets up, learn how to trade. You should make money in my room. That's it. I mean, we don't have enough losing trades for everyone to ever wipe out a trading account. I can tell you that right now. That's never happened to anybody who follows me and follows the rules. It just doesn't happen. And you can see that it's all about patience and discipline. I haven't traded today. I have not made a trade. Look, I'm too busy to trade right now anyway, but I did not make a trade today. A lot of people in my room did not make a trade today. You know how hard that is to do? You're sitting here and it's 11 o'clock. I don't care. Richard had one trade, Baba. A few of the people in the room had a couple of other trades, but I'd rather miss trades than get caught in something. I'm with you, Zena. You know, the market's getting us good smackdown right now. Everything is risk management, Pablo, and that's what people don't understand. Everything. Everything. Where are you guys in the VIXI, guys? Did you guys buy 34 last week in the VIXI? 35.50 is a good spot to lighten up, guys, if you have some VIXI last week. From last week. Well, it's, you know what? It's not even a key to just day trading. It's a key to any kind of trading. It's a key to long-term investing. It's a key to anything. You know, that's why I tell people, even if you're trading these crazy wackadoodle stocks like AMC, take profits sometimes. There's nothing wrong with that. This way, when they do pull back, you can get back into them. 6 trades today. I'm waiting for Tesla at 620. That's good. I just think you're a straight shooter and got some good tactics, and that's good enough for me. I appreciate that, Bill. And anyone in my room will tell you the same thing. I help people. I take care of people. I do the right thing. I try to do the right thing all the time. And we have a pretty good system that works more than it doesn't. That's all. I'm at 34.20 average. Trying Baidu at 198.60. All right, hold on. Trying Baidu at the 15-minute. All right, Gus. Because I was going to say 198 is a better spot in Baidu. I don't know if we're going to get that low, but 198 is a better start. VNTR. Yeah, I mean, if the market breaks this little pivot point here, we could see some follow through to the downside. Look, you guys, let's go to a daily chart. Right? Very simple. Let's go to the daily chart in the spiders. I mean, we are so overextended. I mean, we're not even that overextended. Let's just call it what it is. But first support is around 418. That's our 9 EMA on the daily. That's nothing. Doesn't mean the market's crashing or anything. I mean, 418 is a logical spot for us to pull back on the daily. 418 and 417. Right? We go to the weekly. You know, we're a little more stretched on the weekly. You know, look what happened last time we made these all-time highs. We pulled in a bit. So we're a little more stretched, and that's 414. So, you know, we could easily see 418 to 414 in the next few days if we do get a pullback in the spiders. Not saying it's going to happen. I'm just going by technical analysis. That's what my charts are telling me. That's it. Yeah, 418 in the spiders is the first real support. So maybe you give them a little VXX there then. Right? If you have a nice profit. Spiders hit 418. Give them a little VXX. That's all. Neo possible double top. No, do not do a double top in Neo. It hardly went down $1. If anything, I would short 42.10 in Neo, depending on how it got there. I'm getting an AHT as a gamble on the trend up. Again, don't gamble, Bill. Let it pull back to the trend line. Well, this is a $5 stock. That's fine. I don't like to equate gambling with trading. That just doesn't work for me. I don't like those two words in the same sentence. All right, let me go over a couple of things for you guys real quick. All right, Beyond. And Beyond is breaking everything, guys. So let's go to the videotape and Beyond. Well, that was the pre-IPO, Dupree. That's where we got SoFi. No such thing as a triple bottom. And I tell you right now, if AMC breaks 28.30, this thing could go back to 26 today. So let's keep our eyes on it. But let's go to Beyond now. I have no support anywhere in Beyond. None. Next support I have in my chart is 121. I'm guessing I have something in between here that might tell me where we might want to buy the stock. Let's go look. 15-minute, nothing. 30-minute, there we go. 30-minute, we got 130.20. So, and this is all the stuff that we teach in the class. This is all the stuff. We teach you how to change time frames to find the next spot that might make sense for us to make a trade. So at 130.16, we're down $3 from where we are right now. That would be like 8 red bars in a row. I'm a buyer at 130.13 and beyond. Why? Because I have a nice spot to buy it there on my 30-minute chart. Boom, chakalaka-laka. I'm not guessing. I'm not saying, ooh, I'm trying to catch a falling knife. No. I'm putting an order in where my technical analysis tells me to buy it. That's it. And if it gets down there, there's about a 99% chance we're going to bounce from there and go up. Because we'll have 9 red bars in a row and we'll hit a support level.
How we doing, David?
We're doing good, Aaron. Do I have another 5 minutes?
About another minute. We got to wrap up here at 11.
All right, cool beans. All right, guys, real quick. Real quick.
Sorry, I meant to give you a 5-minute warning, but
yeah,
that's all right.
Okay, guys, so if anyone wants to buy our course where you get us all every Thursday night, it's WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. It's on sale for you guys for $399 instead of $500. You will get continued mentorship with us forever. So Aaron just
threw that. Yep, I threw that link in the chat.
Excellent. So anyone who wants, sign up for the course. I'll see you Thursday night. As far as coming and visit me for the rest of this week, greenroom-live.com. You guys can come in anytime from now until the end of the week. All right, so that's greenroom-live.com if you want to come hang out with us for the rest of the week. And then you got Wall Street Global Trading Academy if you want to buy the course. I will be back tomorrow morning. We can talk more.
Sounds good, David. All right, I'll talk to you tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Excellent. All right, guys. Be safe, patience, and discipline. See everybody tomorrow.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all. We got SPAX Attack coming up with Mitch and Chris. It's a really special one. We got the first Mexican company that's listing on the American exchanges, so that should be really exciting. And yeah, we should be starting up soon.